What's up, you?
Shoot it, knock it down, fade away. Shoot it, knock it down, fade away. Faded off the woo-ha, no faded off the woo-ha. Bustin' out the trap, in the coupe doing laps. Got me a Dominican mommy, folding paper all got me. Ragga on site, split star off the hype. Ain't got no time to fall in love, ain't no time to fall in love. When the push.
But yes, I know I'm slacking. I'm completely slacking and all that, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna hit y'all with this beach video, and it's gonna be on that poppy. You feel me? So I'm going to the beach. You feel me? I'm ready to turn up. I'm ready to turn up or whatever like that. And I just want to have so much fun. So it's gonna be a beach vlog today. I don't know if my YouTube channel is a vlog channel or what. Whatever. It's gonna be like both combined or whatever like that. But right now, my friend is coming to pick me up so we can head over to her house and meet all the other people, because my mama don't want me to drive. And then she don't want me to drive over there. My bad.
Maybe next time.
Someone called. But yeah, we're going to the beach. Shayna came to get me. Promise in the bag. And we about to just turn around. Wow, sis, kill it. Yes. Yes, sis, yes.
Why is his legs was moving like that?
You're right. A little bit all spread. Oh my gosh, that was funny. That was funny. Like, for real. But yeah, so we about to go back to Shayna's house to meet up with the other person.
This the crib, this the whip.
Wow, hello, Cribbo. Girl, she's sitting outside looking lost. She looks sad, depressed.
Alright.
Okay, so we met the other person, and
Shirley let me cut my shorts and she said they looked okay. So I said, alright.
yeah, now we about to go to the store, stock up on snacks, get new stuff. You know.
I'm a boy.
So peep the fit, peep everybody fit. Oh my gosh, it's on. Wow.
Tell me where my
girl got the whole speaker.
The girl got the whole
That girl ain't playing no games with that speaker, boy. We was just talking about the speaker. Now, I thought it was a little small speaker like this.
Girl, no.
Or like
What
this
is
or something.
it?
Look at that.
A water gun?
Oh my gosh, why are you messing with
it's a
that?
water gun? Just put it down.
All right, but yeah. About to be a beach day.
And I still got my bra on. Twerk.
Y'all are ruining it. Oh my gosh. So I guess I can. Oh my gosh, look at this light. Hold on. Can we just please? Oh my gosh, we look good though. Wow. Where is Promise? Wow.
Ooh, that's fun.
Oh my gosh, this sun, y'all. But yeah, I'm a snap, y'all.
That lighting
I'm gonna record when we get to the beach. So yeah. My heart go boot up. Anyway, so yeah, y'all, we at the beach. Turn it up. I can barely see my phone, so if I'm not even in the camera, just forgive me. But yeah, we just at the beach turning up right now. Got the whole speaker back there, not playing no games. I'm about to turn it up since we're all the way up here and it's all the way back here.
Everybody just looks so peaceful.
Yeah, man.
I mean, it looks so turned.
It's so nice, man.
That must took forever. Did you see that castle?
Yeah.
They time on that.
Man, it's litty. So, I don't know if I'm going to take my phone out there when we take pictures. Or we can take pictures on your phone?
My phone is stupid.
You got portrait?
Yeah. You need to make sure it cools down so people don't activate. Put it in like a bag or something.
But we'll see what we do about pictures. But yeah, not doing nothing right now. So yeah. What's poppin', y'all? So first of all, after the beach, we went to CC's, right? Y'all know my fat self can't record. Well, y'all don't know. My fat self cannot record and eat at the same time because it's one or the other, you feel me? That's just how I feel like it's supposed to be. Anyway, so, yeah. So, went to CC's. It was so good, bro. I'm sorry. It was so good, though. I had 3 plates and then, like, one dessert plate. Oh my god, that thing was so good. But yeah, so ate there. Then after we ate there, you feel me, I had to go drop my friend off. So this is where the day ends. I just got back home from dropping Morgan off. It was lit. It was just lit. Today was lit. I can't complain, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, so then we took pictures on the beach too. So I gotta I'm gonna get those pictures uploaded on here too. I'm gonna get this video added on today. And honestly, it's gonna be up by tonight, especially if I don't edit as much though, because editing do take a long time. So I'm not about to flex. It do take a long time. Watch this thing, sweet. Oh. Anyway, so yeah, it's not gonna take me that long to edit, but I'm about to go take a shower, wash my hair, and then blow dry it. So it's gonna be a little while. It's gonna be up tonight. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a YouTube video because I just need to give y'all a YouTube video. Like, I've been slacking and everything, literally. So yeah, so I'm gonna go inside, wash my hair, and after I blow dry and stuff like that, then I'm gonna get this video up because I owe y'all a video. 2, 3. So yeah, so maybe if I can, I'll even make a whole nother video tonight if I can. This beach video is over. You already know what's poppin'. Royalty, really? Let's do that again. You already know what's poppin'. Royalty gang on fleet. Queen squad, king squad. You already know we're royalty gang. You feel me? We're royalty gang because I'm Queen Kid and you all are my kings and queens. A ting. Y'all didn't see my wink. A ting. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside in this video and then we can make some magic. You feel me? We can make some magic. Wait, hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna take pictures. Yep. Alright, royalty gang. I will see you on the next video. Peace.